All right, guys, and here's my 5 pound kit. Uh, as you can see, it's a significant amount of mushrooms. I do offer yellow, blue, and white. Those are my biggest growers. If you want to produce a massive amount of mushrooms, my kit, 3 kit for 36.99, it's definitely the way to go. Like I said, the 1 and 3/4 pound kits are great for getting a taste of all the mushrooms and to see if you can handle doing this technique for growing mushrooms. If you can and you don't mind getting your hands dirty, you're going to save a significant amount of money buying my kits. You're going to get better deals with my website. So go to gpmushrooms.com. This is my Florida oyster. Yeah, right now I'm offering a 3 pack. My yellow, my blue, and my Florida, because those are my biggest producers on when it comes to the 5 pound kits. Uh, and at a good deal. I think it's even on sale at the moment. But stop by gpmushrooms.com and definitely check it out, get it, grow it, enjoy it. You're gonna get some great harvest off these 5 pound kits. All right, guys. GP Mushrooms out.